Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pet an animal in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to find the animal's trough. And this is the sea otter trough. And you need to fill the trough with the food that the animals like. For example, the sea otter likes to eat fish. So you can fill the trough with fish you have catched, and then you're going to find the animal. Usually the animal is around the trough, and after you find the animal, you can click on this icon to interact with the animal. And then you're going to select the pet icon so you can pet the animal. Oops, sorry. The animal doesn't want to play with me. Let's try it again. Okay, I'm going to select this action. And to unlock the action, guys, you need to level up your bond with the animal. You can increase your bond with animal by feeding them. So just keep filling the trough with the food and you will unlock the pet action. Okay, done. I've already pet this sea otter. Okay, and that's how we can pet an animal in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.